thanks for watching. This is Sundown, and I am going to do a little haul video on my resin and my molds. And maybe a part of this video I'll do my cabochons, just because of my planner resins, just because I am obsessed with planner resins. I can't get enough of them, and I have a problem and I need to stop buying them. So anyways, I did some research on resin, and I decided to go with the little windows resin. It's kind of expensive, but it looked beautiful, and I'm kind of bougie, so I want the best. So anyways, I bought a little kit. It's like a starter kit from Little Windows. This is really good quality. It's pretty great. I don't remember how much it was. So here's the resin. There's part A and part B. So one is a hardener, and it comes with these little cups, measuring cups. Ooh, it measures, and you can see the measuring from this point, so you don't have to like look from the side. So that's pretty good. And this is I'm gonna call it a mold, a bezel mold, a mold. That's a mold. And then this is the stirrer, so it'll scrape around the sides at the bottom. I haven't used the resin yet. I don't know why I'm scared. And then it comes with a spring drill, so I can make jewelry, put holes in it. It's a pretty nice drill if you ask me. Doesn't even look cheap or janky. And then it comes with some jewelry. I don't know if that's called a bezel. I think it is. And then a thing so I can make a keychain, or I'm not sure what that's for. See, a chain and one bezel. This looks like for a necklace. And then this is for when you lay your images. You lay your images on it, and then you pour the resin, and then you can scoot it over if you have overspill. And then this is if you don't print out in these shapes at this size, then you can use this as a template to trace and cut out. It's probably just easier to buy a punch out. And here's a coupon. Little Windows Brilliant Resin. So there's instructions on how to do it. I'll have to show you if I have the touch, because I have never done resin before. Okay, shows you how to drill holes, or okay, that's cool. And it comes with special photo paper. Man, I hope I don't mess that up. But they give us 3 practice sheets, so I have 3 chances to mess up. And then it just closes back up. That is cute. Okay, I'm going to show you the molds now that I have. Well, actually not yet. I'm going to show you more stuff that I got from Little Windows. So I didn't just stop at the beginner kit. I decided to get the large silico doming tray. Okay, it's called a doming tray. And it's kind of flexible. The other one is hard. The little one is hard, but this one is, woo. Oh, I can see that getting dirty real quick. So let me put that back. Okay, I'll do that later. And of course, I didn't stop there. I bought the medium-sized doming tray too, because I don't think I knew that a doming tray came with the beginner package. So there's this one too. This one's hard though, like the little one. Oh, little-windows.com. If you ever watched Fran's videos, she's very informative and talented. Okay. excited to buy her 4-pack of resin. You'd think I was a professional resin maker. I haven't even done this once. I bought so many. I guess it's cheaper if you buy more. I can't wait to use it to see how it works. Maybe I'll have to try it today. I'm just kind of scared, that's why I haven't started. All right, let me show you the molds that I got that I'm pretty excited about. So the first mold I got is Disney letters, and I got these on Etsy. They weren't that expensive. So this is Disney numbers and the alphabet. So here's the Disney numbers and the smaller alphabet, which I will definitely use for my badge reels to do something like this where it says wish. I think it's the same size. Let's see here. Boom, exactly. Here's the bigger one. I guess the D would come in handy. Everybody knows that D. It's a pretty good mold. Hopefully it lasts a while. And then the other molds I got were a Louis Vuitton lock. Other lock. I thought this was going to be smaller, so I'm not sure if I'll ever use this one. I don't really like it. And then I really like the purse look on badge reels or even on like phone cases. It's real cute. I like this one. And that one. And that one. And that one. And that wallet. And that wallet. So I like them all. Okay. And then I got the Michael Kors logo. I don't think I'll be using that one. And then I got the other logos, so I could put these on my badge reels. I like to do designer logos on my badge reels. The whole reason I got the resin is because I wanted to do pieces like this. Print out photos and then put the resin on top, because I'm kind of tired of buying it from other people. I'd rather just make my own. So that's Shaun White when he won his 3rd gold medal. And that's one of my badge reels that I use at work personally. And then here's Jake and Fitz from Scandal. My coworker and I were gonna, she's Team Jake, I'm Team Fitz. But she never got a badge, so we never used them. But you can do this with the resin. So I think that is all for my mold and my resin. So maybe what I'll do next is I'll actually try to do it and then let you guys know how it went. All right, thanks for watching. Bye. Bye.